Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss this word greener pastures. One of my teachers suggested me to use this word in writing and speaking modules, and he is a certified IELTS trainer. So without wasting time, let's look at the meaning of greener pastures and how it can be used. Greener pastures means a better situation or a change that is for the better. If you come across any essay like why people are migrating to cities or why people are migrating to rich countries, then you can use this word greener pastures. Now, let's look at a few examples. For example, people of developing and underdeveloped countries are migrating to developed countries in the pursuit of greener pastures. In simple words, this sentence means people of developing and underdeveloped countries are migrating to wealthy countries or developed countries in the search of facilities like better employment, better education, or better lifestyle. So instead of writing these words, we can use this word that people are migrating to developed countries to seek greener pastures or in the pursuit of greener pastures. Next example is people are migrating from villages to cities to see greener pastures. This sentence means that people are migrating to cities in the search of better facilities. So instead of writing this word better facilities, so we can use this word that people are migrating to cities to seek greener pastures. Seek means find. I hope you have understood the meaning of this word and please start using this word in your writing and speaking modules. So that's it for today's session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel to build up your vocabulary. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for watching and have a good day.